It is time to nut up or shut up because I got a few Omniflex pens. I know nothing about them, so it's time for me to level up. Everything I read said these pen flex, as in they have different line variety, which is Flex Nib. So this first company is one I had never used, and they have the boxes which are impossible to open, which I'm not used. Oh wait, just try to open. This is a good heavy duty pen because it is heavy and it's nice. I paid a good bit for all of these pens. This psychology is something else I wrote. Okay, I don't know. This is a great pen for writing, fixed nib, but it does not flex. That's why I got it. The name Omniflex is it's in the name of the pen, so I expect it. I did notice the nib is stiff, too stiff, and I did watch a few videos on it, and it does flex, but I don't know why that pen won't flex for me. Yes, now I know this company, and this Omniflex nib is made differently. I expect better things. Maybe this nib would be more bounce to it. I've also been looking into antique pens. That's why I picked this pen, and it just happened to have the same nib. And this one too costs a good bit of money. That appears to be the thing about Omniflex nibs. Every single pen that they are on costs at least $75-$100. Depress. Two. That was better, but it's a hard flex. It's kind of petty on how you hold the pen and press, because sometimes I could do it, sometimes I could not. It's better flex, but at the same time, it's a pain in the butt. But it writes okay, but I think the other pen writes better than this one. It's good, but not great. I don't know. This has been the most expensive pen I bought. It was in the 300 range. I have paid $250 for gold nib, and if this is not flexible enough to get easier flex, then I don't know. Dang it. Okay, that was not so good. It did flex some, but the writing from the nib was medium, and it did that severing thing. It was harder to write with that pen than it was with the cheaper pens. Disappointed. Omniflex. The first pen wrote the best out of all the pens, and it goes to show that money means nothing when it comes to fountain pens. Second time I spent that much money on a pen for it just to be meh. So keep that in mind when buying a pen. So far, cheaper is better for me. Flex nib, like fountain pen revolution. So far, fountain pen revolution has not been beat when it comes to flex nib pens. And I know there's maybe something better, but so far, I do regret this, but I don't regret number one, the rose gold pen. I could use that even though it's not flex. It has some purpose, but the other one, gold nib, it just makes a mess. The old-fashioned one is okay. I'll use that again. It would be fun to use, so I give the winner to the first pen. No more Omniflex. Not worth the hassle. Not good. Just buy a fixed nib pen. That's it. This sucked.